Hey guys, what is going on? So first thing I want to say right here, guys, already cracked my screen protector. Didn't even drop it or anything. Literally fat crack right there. Can I get it off or what? Anyways, guys, what we're going to be looking at today is the world's, I don't know about the world's, but I looked it up and apparently this is the thinnest iPhone 10 case in the world right now. At least I'm pretty sure that's what it said on in the eBay description. So first of all, I just want to read this in the back because they have a very important message. Oh, I thought I wasn't even recording. They have a very important message on the back of the package. This is what it says. Our ultimate goal is to realize customer self-value. Everyone has a secret memory and we are trying to provide personal design and quality materials to invoke your sleeping memory and help you find the most suitable products. So I'm guessing this was from China just because the first word isn't even capitalized. So I'm gonna say this is directly from China. But anyways, guys, what we have here, it says fashion right there. I have no idea why. Maybe that's like the company or something. But this is a really cool like box. Look, guys, all you do is slide it. Look, that's all you do. And then we got that, and then here's the case right here. Okay, it's like a matte finish right here. And then we have this little, who cares? The only weird thing that I found in this case right here is it has like 2 dots or something. I don't really know. Maybe it's for like a little string, like those like things that you put around your wrist when you have like a Wii remote or something like that. That's the only thing I could really think of it being there for. Otherwise, I have no idea. If you have any idea, please let me know down in the comments below because personally, no idea why that's there. But yeah, first thing that I want to say, guys, it does fit with a tempered glass screen protector on the back of the phone. I didn't think it would because it's so thin. Maybe it probably makes it a little bit thicker, but it does work and it does fit pretty dang well. Pretty nice case. I'm pretty sure it was only like $6 or something like that on eBay. I'll link it down below if you guys want to cop it. But it's a pretty nice case. Obviously, this thing is really freaking thin. Like, look at this. Look how thin that thing is, guys. Like, that's is it focused? Okay, there we go. It's unreal. Like, it's literally a couple of millimeters thin. Like, it's so thin, it's incredible. There is a plus and minus for the volume, which is, I guess, if you don't know where plus and minus is, that's a good feature right there. And then there's a little power like thing on the power button. Personally, kind of cheesy for me. Don't really like that they added that. The cutout like is insane for this thing. It's literally like a skin it's like a skin around your phone. Like, not like the Apple iPhone one where it's just like that whole space is not covered, which is really bad because it's stainless steel and it's going to scratch right there. So this case is going to prevent that from scratching. And another thing, guys, just want to get this out of the way really quick. This case, I would say this case is mainly just for scratches and just small nicks, like it drops like 2 inches from the ground or something like that. I would not trust this for like a regular case. Not going to protect your phone if you drop it from a normal height, like 3 or 4 feet. I really don't think it's going to protect your phone. So just to let you guys know, I would say this is just for scratches and just small nicks. I would also recommend a screen protector on the top of your screen, just because when you lay it flat like that, it's gonna touch the screen no matter what. If I lay this one down like that, I know it's not gonna touch. I know the screen's not touching the surface because of the ridges on the case. But for this case right here, guys, your screen is gonna touch the surface. So if you want to keep your screen in nice condition, or if you like put your phone like that a lot, I would recommend putting a tempered glass screen protector on it just to protect the screen a little bit from scratches and stuff like that. But I guess you don't really have to, but I would recommend that if you want the most protection with the least amount of case or bulk. It is thick enough that the camera does not protrude on the surface, so it's gonna be pretty level with the surface. There is a little bit of a dude, it's so windy right now outside. Oh my gosh. There is a little bit of wobble, but not as much as like you didn't have the case on it. So there is a little bit of protection on the actual camera like cutout. It's protruded a little bit, so that's good. It protects the camera lens, which I really do like about this case. All right, guys, so if you guys wanted to cop this case, I'll link it down in the description below. I'm pretty sure they sell it for the iPhone 7 and up, so iPhone 7 to iPhone 10. So if you have like a 7 or an 8, I'm pretty sure they have the cases down there. for your phone. And they also have 5 different colors. I'm pretty sure, I don't know why I picked white, probably just because my phone's white and I just wanted it to match a little bit. So that's pretty much it for the video. If you guys want this case, be linked down in the description. I probably said that like 6 times, but yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, please drop a like and subscribe, guys. Really does help out the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.